Here we are again, Grandad, and my hair is so long I'm going to have it in a ponytail very soon. That'll be different, won't it? Now, here's our last book. It's called Hurrah for Birds. And away we go. Can you imagine, just for one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hurrah! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up, up in the sky. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. My neck is not as long as a swan. Say, hello, darling, then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop around and around. Scratch the ground with your feet, catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say, cluck, 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 and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Ooh, Granddad's got wings. Open your beak and sing tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mum in your nest. What a busy bird you've been, the funniest one I've ever seen. You begin the day, cock-a-doodle-doo, now say good night. Tweet, twood, woo, woo.
What was yours called?
And that's the end.